Hey, it's Kate, and today on Too Many Hobbies, Not Enough Time, we are going over my written pattern for my leg warmer tutorial. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so this is gonna be strictly just the written pattern of the leg warmers. In the other video, I have the full tutorial, how to do everything, full steaming, everything like that that you would need to know for how to do this tutorial. But in this video, just this video is going to be only the written tutorial. So I have little slides that flash through the video that have the written pattern of how to do the leg warmers. So I'm going to have that in this video, just that whole part alone, just the written part, just to make it a little bit easier for you guys. So if you want to avoid all of my chit-chatting, you can just come straight to this video and it is just the written one. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will make more videos just like this. And let's get into the video. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I am going to try to post more often. I've been going through some things recently, so I am finally back to being better and back up to uploading. So you should expect a couple videos coming here real soon. There should be one next week, so get ready for that. I will have that one, a tutorial, as well as also this written pattern. So 2 videos should be coming in the next couple weeks. Definitely for sure one next week. So I will see you guys then. I love you and peace out.